Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into building WebSocket applications with Go. This tutorial will cover the fundamentals of WebSockets, how to implement them with Go's standard library, and provide a practical example to get you started. What are WebSockets? WebSockets provide a full-duplex communication channel over a single TCP connection. This means that the client and server can both send and receive data at the same time without the overhead of establishing a new connection for each message, unlike HTTP, which is request/response based. WebSockets are ideal for real-time applications like *chat applications, *instant message exchange, *online games, *low latency interaction between players and the server, real-time data dashboards, displaying constantly updating metrics, collaborative editing tools, allowing multiple users to edit documents simultaneously. Why use Go for WebSockets? Go is well suited for WebSocket applications due to these reasons. Concurrency, Go's lightweight coroutines and channels make it easy to handle many concurrent WebSocket connections. Performance, Go's compiled nature and efficient garbage collection contribute to high performance and low latency. Standard library, Go's net/http and golang.org/x/net/websocket,